Hello everyone. It's great to be back at Create. It's always a pleasure to be here, and this year at this huge stage on this huge screen, it's really an honor for us to be here and present how we see the future, the seamless integration of GraFx Studio into our product. My name is Jens. I'm one of the partners at Relational. I'm taking care of sales, of consultancy, of strategy. And my focus point is user centricity. I'll come back to this later on. And I'm always fascinated when chilly people doing chilly things, and one of the guys who amazes me in that area is Patrick.
Hi everybody, I see a lot of familiar faces, but still new faces, which is really impressive to see how the community grows. And my name is Patrick. Some of you might know me, and if not, maybe know me after the party tonight. So I have a lot of experience and quite a history with Chile, about 10 years now, in different companies. And my focus is product development, integration, engineering, consultation, and training. And I will show you a demonstration later, a tech demo, how we integrated GraFx Studio into our system.
So before we jump into our session, just a quick wrap up. What's Relational? It's a software as a service marketing portal which takes care of user management, roles management. We have a Magento connector, and we're a team of over 20 people from different areas: developers, designers, project managers, support staff. And yes, we're embracing the new creative. That's a concept that's really close to our heart because we're a cross-functional, hierarchy-less team with different skill sets working together to developing new solutions for our clients. When you're thinking about Relational, you can think in 3 layers. So we have this platform layer, that's the layer 1, that manages APIs, apps, and users. The second layer is the shop layer. The shop layer is taking care of managing products and workflows. And the third layer is the editor layer that manages customizations thanks to Chile. We're building solutions since 2018 for different clients with Chile integrations. And we switched from projects to product just last years ago. So Relational as a product is only available since November 2022. So we're still the new kids on the block. But we're always happy to be there. And we'll show you today our early adoptions of the new GraFx ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier, user centricity is my issue. So user centricity is key because if you're thinking from the end user, many decisions are not that hard to take anymore. So thinking through end users gives us guidance in our product, in our decision, and gives us a clear vision for our team. And therefore, we have created a sort of framework based on design thinking, data thinking, and customer experience management that helps us always to focus on the end user. And yes, we want to be liked by the end user, not by the marketing departments, but in the end, the marketing departments love us as well because the end users love the solution we build.
Yeah, you might be familiar with that kind of visualization. The end user, as Jens said, is always the responsible factor for us to make a system successful. So it has to be self-explanatory. It has to be easy to use without any special training or webinar or onboarding and stuff like that. And it should have features like the asset management and stuff like this. So this is only the front-end side, so the tip of the iceberg. And the very interesting things, they are under the water, so they are hidden. Just like the environment, the ecosystem, APIs. We heard a lot of things about AI, third-party systems, databases, and if you're honest, and as a developer, this is where the magic happens. So based on that, we want to switch to the next slide and tell you about how this impacts already existing solution like GraFx Publisher. But how can we do the transition to a new software like GraFx Studio? Sorry. So yeah, hooray, we have new animated content. And I don't know who has attended the Spicy Talks 2019 in Berlin. Yeah, some of them. Do you remember? I think it was Ward's talk about a proof of concept where he did show early concept of animated content out of GraFx Publisher. We made a don't call it mistake, but we were very enthusiastic, and when we got home, we immediately told our customers, yeah, animated content is coming. And Chili didn't lie, so we have it now. But this brings us to a topic which is why fix what is the broken? Because we have an already existing system in place with GraFx Publisher. This works perfectly for our print and static files. So we try to be the first at market to integrate a new solution because we told our customers in early 2020 to be the first to use animated content within a channel. So the other question is, why invest new training in a new system? Because, you know, new software also comes with new features, and maybe it's not so self-explanatory than a solution which is almost 10 years now. So the answer is because our users demanded it. And let's have a look at the pros and the cons of static content. So it's budget-friendly compared to animated content. It's very simple with tools like GraFx Publisher. Everybody can do it. The messaging is unvarying and it's very straightforward. But this comes with disadvantages as well. Like you are restricted into your storytelling capabilities. You need more images. You have to make a slideshow or stuff like this. It's not so easy to bring without an animated or an engaging visual. And the call to action is always a thing. It's less enticing than animated. But on the next slide, you see there are also pros and cons for animated content. On the pro side, there are more engaging visuals. The emotion is, you can bring emotion evacuation. Storytelling is possible with more capabilities, and it's more appealing to especially the younger audiences. But comes with disadvantages as well. For example, higher production because you have to do more training or you have technical requirements, and it could be potentially overstimulate you. So, but oh wow, there's a robot. What does it say? Oh yeah, we only have one disadvantage anymore. So with GraFx Studio, it's easy to adapt your existing templates and transform it or make a transition to the new GraFx Studio. So we will demonstrate it later, but let's come to the conclusion. For us, animated banner ads, they enhance the display advertising. They captivate viewers more than static banners. Did you see the rocket? They are incorporating characters and objects become more feasible. There are statistics that it drives the return on investment and the click-through rate, even the brand recognition and messaging. And last but not least, the ad overall quality and the user engagement is increased.
So all our clients are really excited and can't wait to try it. I talked to some of them last week, telling them, oh, we're in Brussels, and what we'll show them, say, oh, look, we have to make a session in the next weeks, because now we want to start building animated content. So yes, our clients are very excited, but also they are concerned, because They have hundreds of templates for Chili Publisher or GraFx Publisher. And they say, okay, what do I do with them? And how do I train my users for this new editor? And I don't know if you can relate, but in my experience, currently, there's no fight for budget. It's not a thing. It's always the fight for time and for human resources. So that's the thing our clients most struggle with. How can I get things done, or can new challenges, how can I solve them? But yeah, why fix what isn't broken? So yes, you can still use your old templates. That's no problem at all. Let's keep the magic under the hood. It's our task for the end user, for our clients. They don't realize that there's something else. But yeah, there are new features, but you don't have to think on training. You don't have to think on migrating your templates. You can use the new feature and all the stuff that's created new. Let's do it in the new way, but everything that's done in the old way, just keep it until you don't need it anymore. So yes, we have built this tool that seamlessly combines both worlds and all the benefits of static and animated content in one workflow for our clients.
Yeah, I would like to welcome you to Meet Relational, our multi-channel, or I heard it's omni-channel portal, and we are building the bridge between static and animated content. Because we think both solutions work for their own, and we see on the roadmap there are still improvements, and at the moment we have two tools working for different domains. But we want to keep only one workflow, because the users are already using the software. They're using GraFx Publisher with Relational, and we tried to focus on this existing workflow to not have any more special training requirements or stuff like this. So yeah, there are some benefits. I will skip that because it's obvious. And I want to ask you, did anybody of you already used a web shop, e-commerce shop to buy shoes? Yeah, Paula did. Okay, some of you already know about this concept of e-commerce. So this is our representation of how we think Relational as a buying opportunity, but instead of products, you can buy or you can use in the same way you can buy shoes. You can create your templates, edit the templates, and customize your templates. And yeah, in 2 minutes, we will create an animated and a static template in one workflow. So this might be familiar. There are like categories. In this case, we have online marketing or print material. And what you do is basically you select your template, like shoes, t-shirts, or clothing. And instead of buy now, you have edit now. So this is a publisher template. Do your customization. And lastly, add the design to the cart. And of course, continue shopping. This is important. And this one is a studio template. It's brand new. I think it's rolled out yesterday. And we already implemented the studio UI. So the process is the exact same one. So you make changes wherever. Yeah, I can't call it smart template. It's basic smart template, and you can select your product and you add it to the cart as well. And last step is place your order, and that's it. Thank you. So it's not complete the video. So there's the end result. This is the static image output. It's a PNG. It's nothing new, but this is new. This is the batch output coming from Studio, which is integrated seamlessly. And you can see all layouts integrated in the smart template are batch outputted and into a zip file where the user can download it and use it and publish it and stuff like this, or just order more products. So yeah, that's all, folks. I think we have time left, but that's all.
That's all. Thank you.